What if I told you there's a productivity system so powerful that it used to be the CEOs of Google, Apple, and Microsoft to manage thousands of decisions without stress? A system that lets you keep track of everything in your life while keeping your mind completely clear and focused. This system has been taught to over 2 million executives worldwide and has been implemented in Fortune 500 companies across the globe and is considered the gold standard for professional productivity. Today, you're going to learn exactly how getting things done works and why it might be the last productivity system you'll ever need. Let me tell you about David Allen's moment of discovery. In 1980s, he was working as a management consultant helping Fortune 500 executives improve their productivity. But he noticed something disturbing. The more successful these executives became, the more stressed and overwhelmed they felt. These were brilliant people managing billion-dollar decisions, but they were constantly anxious about forgetting something important. They had assistants, sophisticated computer systems, and detailed calendars, but their minds were cluttered. Endless stream of open loops, commitments, tasks, and responsibilities that hadn't been properly captured or clarified. Allen realized that the human brain is incredibly powerful at recognizing patterns and making creative connections, but it's absolutely terrible at remembering things reliably. When you try to use your mind as a storage device, it becomes a computer running too many programs at once. Everything slows down. The breakthrough insight was this: if you could get everything out of your head into a trusted external system, your mind would be free to focus on actually doing the work instead of constantly trying to remember what work needs to be done. Sundar Pichai manages Google's 140,000 employees. Tim Cook oversees Apple's global operations. How do they keep track of everything without losing their minds? They use David Allen's Getting Things Done system, a process that captures every commitment in a trusted external system, freeing their mind to focus on execution instead of remembering. Allen calls this mental state mind like water, completely present and responsive without being distracted by other commitments. The GDT system is built on 5 simple but powerful steps that transform how you interact with information and commitments. Capture everything that has your attention. Don't try to evaluate or prioritize it yet. Just get it all out of your head into a trusted collection system. This could be a notebook, a phone app, or a combination of tools. The key is having one place where everything goes intentionally. Clarifying what each item means and what action is required. This is where most people fail. They capture things but never process them. For each item, ask, is this actionable? If not, trash it, file it for reference, or put it on someday maybe list. If yes, what's the very next physical action required? Organize by category and context. Don't organize by priority or subject like most people do. Organize by the context in which you can actually do the work. This makes you incredibly efficient when you have specific windows of time or find yourself in specific situation. Reflect through regular reviews. This is the engine that makes the whole system work. Without regular reviews, even the best capture and organization systems become stale and unreliable. Engage with confidence in your choices. When you know your system is complete and current, you can focus fully on whatever you're doing without mental distraction. Here's the GDT rule that will revolutionize your productivity immediately. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. Don't write it down, don't add to the list, don't think about it, just do it immediately. This simple rule eliminates 80% of the small tasks that usually clog up your system and your mind. Reply to the quick email, make the brief phone call, file that document. These tiny actions prevent massive mental overhead later. Here's where GDT gets revolutionary. Instead of organizing tasks by project or priority, you organize by context, the situation or the tool required to complete the action. This turns dead time into productive time, eliminates that mental friction of constantly deciding what to do next. Things to do when you have phone access and energy for conversations. Call the dentist, follow up with that client, check in with your team members. When you're at a computer, tasks require a computer and an internet access. Write that proposal, update the spreadsheet, research that topic, send those emails. When you're running errands, things to do when you're out and about, pick up dry clean, buy grocery, stop by the bank, grab supplements from the office store. If you're waiting for items from other people, this prevents things from falling through the cracks and in your clear list. So next category is agendas, items to discuss with specific people. Instead of forgetting what you want to talk about, you have a running list for each important relationship. Every Friday, the world's most successful people do something that average performers skip. They conduct a weekly review, 2 hours that determine the success of their entire week. They review all their projects, update their action list, and plan their upcoming priorities. They clear their inbox, check their calendar, and make sure nothing is falling through the cracks. This single habit is what separates reactive people from proactive leaders. When you implement the GDT properly, something remarkable happens. You stop feeling anxious about what you might be forgetting because you know your system is capturing everything. You stop feeling overwhelmed by the workload because you can see exactly what needs to be done and when. More importantly, you develop what Alan calls a relaxed control. The confidence that comes from knowing you're working on the right thing at the right time. You're not just busy, but you're productive. You're not just reactive, you're intentional. The system works because it aligns with how your brain naturally functions. Instead of fighting your cognitive limitations, you work with them. Instead of trying to remember everything, you create a system that remembers for you. The GDT isn't just about getting more done, it's about getting the right things done with less stress and more confidence. It also creates a space for the important work by efficiently handling everything else. The most successful executives in the world swear by this system because it doesn't just improve their productivity, it transforms their entire relationship with work and stress. Master the GDT and you'll never feel overwhelmed by your commitments again.